Hello, Mr. and Mrs. How are you doing right now, all people? I hope you're doing well. So, on this channel, we will learn how to pronounce English with an American accent. So, if you are interested, please subscribe this channel and thank you so much. So, let's get started in this video.
You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English?
No, English is, I think, is the most difficult language.
Yeah, it's hard.
First time when I come to United States and learning, I just, hello, my name is Jackie Chan.
You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English?
He pronounced this all word linked together and very quickly pronounced this all word. He pronounced, you speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English? You speak really, really. Look at this word, really, really, up and down this word pronunciation. You speak really, really well, well. Look at this word, W sound, well, 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 well. Did you teach ch? This two letter make sound che, che. Teach, ch. Did you teach yourself English? And look at this word, yourself English. F and NG linking this word and make sound finglish. Yeah, the best opportunity to linking these two words and pronounce very quickly these two words. Your self English, Finglish, your self English.
You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English? You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English? You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English? You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English?
No,
And he pronounced no, you know, and this time letter K is silent. You know, and sometimes native speaker pronounce this word no long way, like no, you know,
no, no, English is, I think, is the most.
and he pronounced this all word English. English is the SH make sound she. English is the I think. And look at this word think. We pronounce this word think, but actually this word correct pronunciation like a native speaker think, th sound, think, think. I think is the most. I think is the most. Is the most. Is the most. English is the I think is the most.
English is, I think, is the most. English is, I think, is the most. English is, I think, is the most. English is, I think, is the most difficult language.
He pronounced this word difficult language, and you notice this. He not pronounce difficult. He pronounced this word difficult language. Not pronounce this two letter and and very smoothly link together these two words. Difficult language. He pronounced difficult language. U and next word L is smoothly links together these two words, and then he pronounced this word difficult language. Difficult language.
Difficult language, difficult language, difficult language, difficult language.
Yeah, it's hard.
First time when I come to
He pronounced this word. I mean, first time when I come to. I mean, I mean, I mean, first time, first time. Look at this two word pronunciation like a native speaker. Native speaker not pronounce this letter T and directly, very smoothly link together these two words. First time, first time, first time, first time. When I come to, look at this word when. When this word pronounces very quickly, so that's why some people uh, couldn't understand completely sometime. So when I very smoothly linking this two words. When I come to come, and now see letter make sound letter K. When I come. First time when I come to.
Yeah, it's hard.
first time when I come to
Yeah, it's hard.
first time when I come to
Yeah, it's hard.
first time when I come to
Yeah, it's hard.
first time when I come to United States and learning.
He pronounced United States and learning, and he pronounced very quickly these all word, and normal people pronounce this word United States, but American people pronounce this word United States, and you noticed this American people pronounce this letter D is very slowly. United, very fast. This letter pronounced like a native speaker, American people. United States and learning. ING makes sound ing. United States and learning.
United States and learning United States and learning United States and learning United States and learning. I just hello.
And he pronounced this all word. I just saw hello. I just saw hello. And you noticed he pronounced this word I just. Not pronounce this word I just. Because this T is flap T. Okay? This T is flap T, and so that's why he pronounced this word I just up this word somehow. Hello. Very tricky pronunciation in this word. Hello. I just saw hello. I just saw hello.
I just hello. I just hello. I just hello. I just hello. My name is Jackie Chan.
These two letters sound. He pronounced My name is Jackie Chan, and you notice my name is Jackie Chan. Up and down this all word pronunciation like a native speaker. My name is Jackie Chan. My name is Jackie Chan.
My name is Jackie Chan. My name is Jackie Chan. My name is Jackie Chan. My name is Jackie Chan.